The tram behind me was not an original part of the design for the arch. They knew they wanted there to be a way to get from down here to up there, so much so that they built this room and the observation deck at the top, but they didn't know quite what would get you from down here to up there. 6 miles per hour.
Alright, so that sound you guys are hearing, it means the elevator is on way back is on its way back down.
Alright, otherwise I just have 2 things to say. First, you will notice that the door behind me and the doors in front of me are only 4 feet tall. Now, most of you are not 4 feet tall, which means you will have to duck.
Projections came on. Alright, here it is. You can see the lights through the shafts coming in.
Welcome back, everybody. Please exit your cars come all the way up the stairs. Select to the left on the carpet, please. Otherwise, head on in.
Alright, let's get a quick cab view. Look how small this thing is. Wow, let me get a quick pic. Alright. Get over here.
Alright, you guys. Those doors are about to close. Please keep arms, legs, and personal belongings clear.
You want to go on that side? You can get a good view there. You can go on that side. Alright, here we go up. All that there. See all the cables there. The elevator. So they're picking up a little bit of speed. How high up we're going. Yeah, my ears are popping too. about to arrive on the top. Slowing down at this point. These are really weird. So they do slant a little bit, but they do straighten out really quick. See, like that. All right, here we are at the top. All right, here we are. Let's watch these doors open up.
Welcome to the top, guys. Please exit your tram cars. Exit your tram cars. Turn to your left, come all the way up those steps. Follow that shoulder railing all the way up. You guys have access to the entire observation deck, so don't stop at the top. Keep going all the way in. These steps are unevenly spaced, so if you have kiddos with you, please make sure they're holding on to a railing or a hand. They probably have never seen steps like these before. Come all the way up, all the way up. If your tram car is empty, please get on in. All right, to the top, guys. Tram doors are closing. Tram doors are closing. Tram doors are closing. Hope you guys have a nice day. Here's Anthony from Washington South. Tram doors are closing.
Welcome to the top, guys. Just keep going all the way in. You guys have access to the entire observation day.
All right, here we are. It's a rainy day out here, but now you can get a good view. Big view of downtown St. Louis. It's the other side. Oh gosh, it's really foggy, but this is the view of the Mississippi River. That's the interstate right there between Missouri and Illinois. See right down there, that's the Illinois. That's Illinois right there. This is the Mississippi River for it. Notice how dirty it is. This is a South Tram. Too bad it's not open today because we came up on the North Tram. Get one more view. Let's see if we can get a view of the Busch Stadium. Down there, that is a view of Busch Stadium. That's where the St. Louis Cardinals play. Down there, that's the Busch Stadium Park garage. That's the blue garage. Somewhere down there, that's the red garage. Get a view of the park. All right, that's the view for you all. Just got some rail cars down there. You can't really see it because of the rain and the fog, but those are some railroad tracks there. I do apologize for the view, but okay, at least you can get a little bit there. There we go. We can get a better view. Just became blurry again for some reason. But yeah, that's the railroad cars right there. That's the railroad tracks right there for y'all. Alright, last view of this side. My camera can focus. There we go.
My show was on.
Alright. That's gonna do it for the view for now. So I'm gonna back down a little bit. Feel free to pause if you want to read.
Alrighty, folks, if you rode up in tram cars 8 and 7, please start making your way down the stairs.
Just make sure you guys stand on those yellow steps when you make it down to your tram car. Tram car 8 is going to be on the left. Tram car
Alrighty, tram 6 and 5, 6 and 5. Alrighty, so trams 8, 7, 6, and 5 have been called. Alrighty, 2 and 4 and 3, 4 and 3, start making your way down the stairs.
Alright, you're back at our car. It's time to head back down.
Guys, oh, is there someone coming out of that door? Oh, okay. Okay, guys, once these doors do open, please wait for everyone to get out.
Yeah. Oh, there's nobody there.
Welcome to the top, guys. Please exit those tram cars. Turn to your left and come all the way up the steps. Turn to your left, come all the way up the steps.
Okay.
Follow that tour guide all the way up.
Alright, I'm gonna go over here so I can get a different type of angle. You alright? Okay. Alright, here we go back down. Faster going down though. These remind me a little bit of the Luxury a little bit in Vegas. But the fact these go vertical. One look at this cab. Back over here. Alright, seems like we're arriving at the bottom now, so we're slowing down. Overall, I gotta say, these are really interesting elevators. You can tell how really small these are. But these are really cool. Alright, here at the bottom. So watch these doors open up.
Yep, perfect. Right, folks, welcome back. Please watch your step as you exit out your car and follow the carpeted walkway.
We have one more picture of this.
Thank you so much for visiting. Gateway Park, National Park.
This is cool. Alright, there they are, and that's gonna be it.